हेलो गाइस, कैसे हो सब। सो दिसंबर लॉन्ग चैलेंज हैज स्टार्टेड और इसमें भी हमारे दिसंबर आते आते वैक्सीन आ ही गई है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द वैक्सीन प्रोडक्शन क्वेश्चन। सो विदाउट एनी डिले लेट्स स्टार्ट। I'll be explaining you the question, the whole question, vaccine production. So, as per the question, increasing COVID cases has created panic amongst the people of Chef Land. So, the government is starting to push for a production of a vaccine. It has to report to the media about the exact date when will the vaccines will be available. Okay. तो ये तो अपने जैसी हालत है, बिल्कुल सेम टू सेम. There are two companies which are producing vaccines for COVID. Company A starts producing vaccines on day one. So हमारे दो companies हैं, A और B. कंपनी ए स्टार्ट करती है डे वन को एंड इट कैन प्रोड्यूस V1 vaccines per day. Company B starts producing vaccines on day 2 and it can produce V2 vaccines per day. So it's very clear that there are two companies A and B that can produce V1 and V2 vaccines on D1 and D2 respectively. So currently we are on day 1. So our problem statement says that we need a total of P vaccines. How many days are required to produce enough vaccines? Formally find the smallest integer D such that we have enough vaccines at the end of the day D. So our main motive is to find the vaccines at the end of day D. So basically we are required to find the days required to produce the given amount of vaccines. So our input will be the first and the only line of the input contains 5 space separated integers D1, V1, D2, V2 and P. So here D1 and D2 are the days and V1 and V2 are the number of vaccines per day. And P is the quantity of vaccines we are required to produce. So output we have a print a single line integer containing one integer, the smallest required number of days. So we have to just give out the days. It is a very simple question, so I don't think people have any problem related to it. So let's see what our input says. So here we have taken the input 1, 2, 1, 3 and 14. So 1 and 1, both ones are D1 and D2 and 2 and 3 are V1 and V2 and 14 is the number of vaccines required. That is our P, and so the output is 3. So since D1 and D2 is 1, so we can produce V1 plus V2 is equals to 5 vaccines on the day 1. So in 3 days we'll produce 15 vaccines. So the minimum required days is 3. So we'll complete the 14 vaccines requirement. So in input 2 we are given 5, 4, 2, 10 and 100. So we are required 100 vaccines. The company A starts production on day 5th and company B starts production on day 2nd. And company A can produce 4 vaccines per day and company B can produce 10 vaccines per day. So there is no production on day 1. 10 vaccines are produced on day 2, 10 again on day 3 and 10 again on day 4. So we have completed 30 vaccines. So on 5th day, the company A starts the production and it can produce 4 vaccines per day. So total we can produce 14 vaccines per day. So it will take 5 days and we can produce 100 vaccines total. So this is the question. I hope it's very easy to understand. So guys, this is a very easy question. I hope you all can do it by yourself. As you can see there, you would be seeing there are already many submissions for this question. I guess this time the questions are quite easy. So make sure you do well and make sure you subscribe to our channel so that you can get the explanation of our videos as soon as it's uploaded. Thank you and keep coding.